365 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 365. Therefore, 365 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 11.9750656167 feet. So, in other words, 365 centimeters equals 11.9750656167 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.